This video is to show you how to retrieve the course key code from an older course to link the MindTap activities and readings in a copied version of the course. So what I mean is when you look at, we're going to look at medical terminology and keyboarding. So in MoodleRooms, I've copied this course shell over, and you can see we want to launch the version for January 2nd. However, we first need to go to the exact same course, MedTerm and Keyboarding, the last version. So we're going to open the November 6th version of this course. And in order to retrieve the course key code, you have to launch MindTap. So we'll go to week 1, we'll scroll down, and we're going to click on a reading. You have to be in MindTap to be able to retrieve that key code. So when MindTap opens, you'll see in the upper right corner, you'll see your name, and we'll let this populate first. You click on your name, go to Course Setup. This is where you retrieve the course key and you copy and paste. The other thing to notice, you have to know the exact dates that are entered right here. So we have 2/14/17 to 2/15/18. Now keep in mind, these are not the dates of the MoodleRooms course. This was how the ebook was set up to these dates. So I've written these dates down, I've copied the key code. We're going to click cancel. You go back into MoodleRooms, and we go back to my courses, and now we're looking for MedTerm in the January 2nd term that I want to launch the new shell. Because currently, if you click on the MindTap links, they are not working. The course is copied. So now we're in the new shell. This is the January 2nd term. We're going to scroll down because, again, we need to launch into MindTap and enter that course key code. So we're going to click on Chapter 1 Reading. You're going to see that it is not going to open MindTap. And it prompts us instead to this window. Click on Copy from another instructor's course. The course key is what we just copied and pasted. It requires you to click Verify. This is the tricky part. When you put medical terminology and keyboarding, you cannot have any spaces or it will not copy the code over. Then we come here and we're going to choose, we saw that the start date for the ebook, that means when Cengage released the book to us. It was on February 14th, 2017. You come down here, we saw that it was going to end on February 15th, 2018. And we don't need to change these because this course actually closes on February 11th. You do have to choose the time zone, so you want to make sure that you choose Eastern. And then you click Continue. So we chose copy from another instructor's course. We copy and pasted the course key. We put the course name with no spaces or it will not work, and the course start date and course end date. Then we click Continue, and you're going to see this is when it is processing, and now we actually have launched the ebook. When you see this screen, you know that you have successfully copied the course key into the new MoodleRooms shell for the exact same course. And then you click Enter. This is just what you do when you have a new student being set up in Cengage as well. So these windows are just showing you what you can click, the different views to see the book. So that is how we copy over the ebook and the Cengage MindTap course code to launch in the new MoodleRooms shells.